Hi, I'm Shawnee with Dr. Horton at Ho'opili, here with a quick tip for Ho'opili homeowners. With any residence, over time, dirt, dust, and grime can build up on outdoor surfaces like walls, fences, and pathways. Pressure washing is the easy way to clean, maintain, and keep your home looking great. First, clear the area you are cleaning. Remove or cover fragile areas like plants and decorations. Connect the washer to a power and water source. As needed, fill soap. Select an appropriate nozzle width. When in doubt, start with the lowest pressure option and escalate up. Put on your safety goggles. You're ready to wash. Take your time and be intentional to avoid passerby and vulnerable areas like windows and plants. The improvements will be almost instant. When you're done, simply turn off and disconnect your washer from water and power. Pressure washers are available for rental at SoHo Community Center. I hope this tip helps you to keep your home clean.